Here's how to make an amazing chocolate cake in the microwave, and you don't even need any eggs. Just whisk together plain flour, granulated sugar, cocoa powder and baking powder until combined. Then add melted butter and warm water and whisk until smooth. Pour it into a microwavable dish, then microwave on medium until a toothpick comes out clean. I recommend checking it with 1 minute to go, then let it cool fully in the dish. Melt dark chocolate and double cream in the microwave and stir gently until smooth, then pour it over the cooled cake and smooth it out to the edges. You could also top it with Nutella or any buttercream icing to make it your own. I absolutely loved it, so I hope you do too.